If you want to download an image from Photopea, I'll show you the quickest way to export it in the right format and save it to your computer. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips. Let's get into it. First, open your project in Photopea and take a look at the top menu bar. To download your image, go to File, then hover over Export As. A side menu will appear with different file types you can choose from. This part is important because the format you pick depends on how you plan to use the image. If you want a transparent background, PNG is usually the best choice. If you want a smaller file size for websites or social media, JPG may be better. Choose the format that matches your project, and Photopea will open an export window for you. Now you'll see the export dialog box, also called Save for Web. This window gives you control over how your final image will look before you download it. At the top, check the width and height boxes. If you need to make the image smaller or larger before saving, you can edit those pixel dimensions right here. This is really useful if your image needs to fit a certain size for a thumbnail, post, banner, or website. If you selected JPG, look for the quality slider near the bottom of the window. This controls how sharp and compressed the final image will be. For the best visual quality, you can set it to 100%. If you want a smaller file that loads faster online, somewhere around 85% is often a good balance between quality and file size. Once everything looks right, take one last look at the preview and make sure the file format and size are what you want. Then click the green Save button at the bottom of the window. Photopea will instantly prepare your file and download it straight to your computer, usually into your Downloads folder. And that's it. Your Photopea image is now downloaded and ready to use wherever you need it. Now, here's a quick pro tip. If you're not completely finished editing and you want to keep all your layers, text, shapes, and adjustments so you can come back later, don't export as JJP or PNG yet. Instead, go to File, then Save as PSD. That saves your project in an editable format so you can reopen it in Photopea later and continue right where you left off. So remember, use Export as when you want a final image file, and use Save as PSD when you want to keep editing your work. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new Photopea guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.